50. Clear, students? Next is part E. Fifth question, students. E part. Now part E is 16%. 16% of 550. 16% of 550. Again, students, 16 upon 100. 16 upon 100 multiply 550 upon 1. Now again, students will reduce these two fraction numbers into its lowest term. First, these are 0, 0, cancel. Now we have 10 and 55. 10 and 55. Yes, students, 10 and 55 both are multiple of 5. So we'll cancel by 5. 5, 2 are 10. 5, 11 are 55. Clear, student? Sorry. 16 and 2. 16 and 2 are multiple of 2. So we'll cancel by 2. 2, 1 are 2. 2, 8 are 60. Yes, students. After reducing into its lowest term, we'll get 8 upon 1. 8 upon 1 multiply 11 upon 1. 11 upon 1. Now, 8 multiplied by 11 will get 88. So your answer is 88. Clear, students? So this is part A, B, and C. Sorry, A, C, and E. Clear, students? Next part which we will discuss is part G. 9% of part G. 9% of 70. Now, students, find 9% of 70. Same. First, we'll write 9% as 9 upon 100. 9%. We'll write 9% as 9 upon 100. Of means multiplication. Then 70 upon 1. Now, students, again reduce this part into its lowest term. First, these are cancels. Now we have in numerator we have 9 and 7, and in denominator we have 10. We can't reduce it into its lowest term, so we'll multiply as 9, 7 are 63. 9 multiplied by 7 will get 63, and 10 multiplied by 1 is 10. After reducing into its lowest term, we'll get 63 upon 10. Now, students, in rough side, 63 multiplied by 10. First, it divides by 6. So your answer is 6, 3 upon 10. Answer is 6, 3 upon 10. Now your answer is in mixed fraction. Okay. Clear, students? Next is part I. Now we have 15% of 15. 15% of 15. Same right as 15 upon 100 multiply 15 upon 1. 15 upon 100, 15 upon 1. Now students, as you know, 15 and 100. So we'll reduce into its lowest term by 5. 5, 3 are 50. And 25 are 100. Clear, students? Five, 4 are 20. Now, after reducing into its lowest term, we have 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4, and 3 upon 1. After reducing into its lowest term, we'll get 3 upon 4 and multiply 3 upon 1. Now, multiply 3 into 3, 9 upon 4. Now, students, again in rough side, 9 multiplied by 4, 4 2 are 8, 1. So your answer is 2, 1 upon 4. Answer is 2, 1 upon 4. Clear, students? Next is sixth question. Yes, students. In sixth question, again, we have 9 parts. We'll discuss 4 or 5 parts in this lecture, and remaining parts we'll try after this lecture. Okay. Now, sixth question is find the value of question number 6. Find the value of 20% of rupees 70. 20% of rupees 70. Yes, students, using same method, first we'll write 20% as 20 upon 100. 20 upon 100. Of means multiplication. 70 upon 1. Now again, students, 20 upon 100, 70 upon 1. Now use this lowest term. So we'll cancel 0, 0. Now we have 2 upon 1 multiply 7 upon 1. 7 to a 40. So your answer is rupees 14. Rupees 14. Dear students, this is sixth question, part A. Now, students, sixth question, part C. Question number 6, part C. Now, find the value of 14%. 14% of 750 grams. 14% of 750 grams. Again, students will write as 14 into 100 multiply 750 into 1. Now reduce into its simplest form. 0 and 0 both are 10. Now 10 and 75. 5, 2 are 10. And 15, 5 are 75. 2, 1 are 2, 2, 7 are 40. Now after reducing, we'll get 7 upon 1. Sorry, 15 upon 1. Now 7 multiplied by 15, we'll get 15, 7 are 105. So your answer is 105 grams. Clear, students? Next is part E. Part E. 60% of 1 year. Yes, students, first we'll write this statement as 60% of, in 1 year we have 12 months, of 12 months. Now write as 60 upon 100 multiply by 12 upon 1. Now reduce 60 upon 100 multiply 12 upon 1 into its simplest form. 0 and 0 cancel. Now we'll get 6 and 10. 2, 3 are 6 and 2, 5 are 10. After reducing, we'll get 3 upon 5 multiply 12 upon 1. 12, 3 are 36. 36 upon 5. 36 upon 5. Now 36 divided by 5, we'll get 7, 1 upon 5 months. Thirty-six divided by 5, we get 7, 1 upon 5 months. Clear, students? Next, we'll discuss part F. Part F is 5% of a meter. 5% of a meter. Now, students, here we will convert meter into centimeters. 5% of a meter. 1 meter will convert 1 meter into centimeters. As you know, in 1 meter we have 100 centimeters. So we'll write the statement as 5% of 100 centimeters. 5% of upon 100 of mean multiply 100 and 100 cancel, we'll get 5 centimeter. So your answer is 5 centimeter. Clear, students? So student, this is the 6th question. Now we'll discuss a few parts of question number 7. Yes, students. Your seventh question is question number 7. What percent of 72 is 80? Now your question is seventh question, part A. What percent of 72, what percent of 72 is 80? Yes, students. First, we'll write the statement X percent of 72. We write this statement as X percent. Suppose X percent of 72 is equal to 80. X percent of 72 is 80. Now, again, same method. We write X percent as X upon 100. X upon 100 of means multiply. 72 upon 1 is equal to 80. X upon 100, 72 upon 1 is equal to 18. Now, students, reduce this part into its lowest term. 100 and 72. 100 and 72 both are multiple of 4. When we divide 100 by 4, we'll get 25. 25. And when we divide 72 by 4, we'll get 18. 18. Now x multiply 18, we get x multiply 18 and 25 multiply by 1, 25 is equal to 18. Now students, here we'll find the value of x. So 25 on opposite sides will multiply and 18 divide. So write as x is equal to 18 will multiply and multiply and numerator will be divide. And write as 18. 25 multiply 18 and 18. Now 18 and 18 cancel. So our answer is 25. So x is 25%. Clear, students? Next is part C. Yes, students, seventh question, part C. Now we have what percent of 30 is 24? What percent of 30 is 24? First we write as x percent of 30. X percent, suppose x percent of 30 is 24. X percent means x upon 100. Of means multiply. 30 upon 1 is equal to 24. Now students, reduce this into its lowest term. 0 and 0, this is cancelled. Now x multiplied by 3, we'll get x multiplied by 3 upon 10 is equal to 24. Now students, x is equal to 10 multiplied by 24. 24 into 10, x is equal to 24 multiplied by 10 divide by 3. Now 3, 1 are 3, 8, 3 are. Now 8 into 10 is 80%. So your answer is 80%. Dear students, now beta 7th question, part E. 7th question, part E. What percent of 42? What percent of 42 is 29.4? Is 29.4. Again, students will write as X% of 42 is 29.4. Now write as X upon 100 multiply 42 into 1 is 29.4. Now students will convert into reduce into simplest form, 21 and 50. You get X multiplied by 21 upon 50 is equal to 29.4. Now X is equal to 29.4 multiply 50 upon 21. Now 21 and 1.4, 1.4